Welcome to Ithaca. I'm the Ithaca Fixer, and this is another video born in ignorance. Today I'm going to show you how to change, remove, or put back the door on a Frigidaire oven without doing this to your thumb. So let's get started. Now it could be gas or electric. That part doesn't matter, but this is the model. Alright, so if you recognize this stove, this is the model. And the reason it's dangerous is because of these spring-loaded hinges. There are several videos about removing the door on YouTube for this oven. Neither of them point out just how dangerous they are. And one of them, in fact, I mean, the guy stood between the camera and the hinge, so I couldn't even see what he was doing as he was saying, oh, look how easy it is. So now, if the door has come off on you and you're trying to replace the hinge when it is in this position, with the back laying flat on the door, it's sprung and you will not get it on the door. It looks like you can just hook it in, but in the other videos to remove and install, they show it in the partially open state, and the lock is holding it in that state. So, like I said, this is sprung, essentially. And I'll tell you what happened to my hand. I was watching one of those videos, and he said, you know, you can just use your hand or a screwdriver to release the catch. And, I mean, I'm not stupid enough to stick my finger in there, but only one side had sprung, and I'm going to do this both on the door so you can see exactly, because I'm not kidding, the shit hurts and it ripped my hand wide open. That's how, if your hinge is out, sticking out like that, then yes, you can put it in, and it's remarkably simple. But if it's not, and you're getting frustrated, that's what you gotta go through. Right? So wow, look at that. Look at how easy that hooks onto there. So here's what happened to me. This one had come out, right? Because I lifted on the door. I lifted on the door to pull the oven. And this one came out. So now I'm sitting there with the door off the hinge here, and I'm trying to put it back, and then I said, you know, maybe I'll just take both off and put it on. I'll watch one of those videos. In the videos, they show you that these clips come right out, right? And that makes it easy enough to remove the door. Ah, bingo, you see? You don't want your hand anywhere near that. Wow, man, it's crazy. Oh, I know what I did wrong. The catch was in the right spot. All right, it was up there, like that. And you know, they don't tell you, hey, you know, you got to be really careful because this thing is under super tension and there is no like secondary catch. There's no catch for it. There's no mechanism on this hinge that allows it to stay locked open. All right, it's the weight of the door that holds it open. So the door was hanging off on the other hinge, you know, partially suspended, so I'm trying to hold it up. I got my hand way back here. It was actually like here. And I go to flip this open, but because the thing was partly in the air, that's what happened on my fucking thumb. So put my foot on here, I do not use my hands, I grab it with the pliers, I fully extend it, and I press this down. That's one. Grab this, fully extend it. Push that down, and that locks. Okay. That. Then it's actually a simple thing. Just like they said in the other videos. You set the door in, but it's got to be in this half-angled position. Then you open it till it's fully open. And then I do not recommend using your hands at all. Alright. And that's it. It's locked into place. Yeah, I guess that's right. Alright, now you can see it's locked into place. It's locked into place. And now the door is like fine. Alright, so it's this Frigidaire. Alright, fellas, have a good day.